Hello and welcome to a demo of Kitty Nuggets Roundup, a CLI data gem that scrapes articles from katienuggets.com. A little bit of background. In case you don't know already, Kitty Nuggets is a leading website in the data science community. They have links to webinars, online courses, and of course articles, which is what we're going to be collecting today. So let's go ahead and launch the program. Here's a welcome message. Right now it's fetching the data. Here we go. This here right here is our main menu. You can see there's three options. You can choose rank to see the articles ranked by most popular and most shared article, of course, to look more closely at a particular article, or quit to exit the program entirely. So let's go ahead and look at rank. And there they all are. Most popular first, followed by most shared. So you can see what was the most popular and the most shared last week in the data science community. It takes you automatically right back to the same main menu. Next, we're going to look at the article. But first, I just wanted to demonstrate that if you, for some reason, were to misspell a command, it does not break the program. Rather, it prints out this little apology that it didn't quite understand what you were saying, and you're brought back to the same exact menu to try again. So let's do it right this time, going down into article. And here they are. There are often duplicates every week if you're wondering why there aren't 14 exactly articles here. In fact, there are 11. And we have the choice to enter 1 through 11 in this case. And you can get a more in-depth look at that article and its contents. You can also, again, choose rank if you want to see the rankings again. Maybe you're really interested in seeing what was the #1 most shared article, and you can do that. You can also choose menu to go back to the main menu. So we've already looked at what rank does. So let's look at, let's say 4. Let's say I'm just really interested in learning about linear algebra. So it brings you to this detail page, which shows you the title, the author, tags, in case you're wondering what the topics covered are. Here, this is data science, mathematics, NumPy, and Python, and a short summary. So these notebooks help beginners/advanced beginners to grasp linear algebra concepts underlying deep learning and machine learning. So if that really tickles your fancy, then you can come down here to our little submenu where you can choose X, which stands for excerpt, and it will bring up an excerpt from the original article. If you feel that you need to read the entire thing, then you can actually type in www, which will open up the original article from your command line in your browser. Or you can go back, hit menu, which will just take you back to the article menu right here. I've decided I'm not that interested in linear algebra, so let's go back to menu. We'll find a better one. You know what? I do want to see what was the most shared. So we'll do rank. And again, it lists out those ranks for you. Oh, and look, most shared was learned linear algebra. Okay. You'll notice that this is holding right here. It's waiting for you to type menus, so that way you can get a good look at the listings right here. So let's not do that one. Let's see. Ooh, how to make AI more accessible. That sounds interesting. So let's keep an eye out for that one in this menu. Oh, it's number 10. All right, so let's type in 10. And here we are. Accessibility, AI, deep learning, and research. Let's see a little summary there. I want to read an excerpt. And here we go. Looks like it's question answer. AI is easier to use than the hype would lead you to believe. So recent talk. Okay. So let's say I read this and I'm interested in learning even more. So we'll type in www to, there we go. Bring it up in our browser. It looks like it did not load very nicely. We'll do it again. There we go. All right. And there's the entire article, which is useful. Oftentimes they'll have links if you wanted to, would take you to either a LinkedIn profile or a personal blog of the author. As you can see, there's also links to other articles, and some things are just easier to view in a web page than in the command line itself. So there's that. And if we go back to our program, you see it's waiting right here. It did not terminate by opening up a browser window. So let's go back to menu. If you wanted, you could just keep doing this all day. Everything is set up so that you can go through it as many iterations as you like. But let's say we're done here. We've already looked at everything. We opened up the one article that we wanted to see. We want to quit. And so right here, we see we navigated from the article selection sub-selection menu to the article selection menu, and then finally to the main menu, where you can see quit will let us exit the program. And there we go. All done. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.